Okay, so this is my take 2 in recording what I just recorded a second ago. Insert clip somewhere around here. Just because I'm like, hello, I have a mic. Because I'm whispering because everybody's still sleeping. Anywhoosies, I was saying that it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I need to go to bed soon so that I can, well now it's 6 a.m. But I need to go to bed soon so that I can wake up early to edit this weekend's Saturday's vlog video. Let me stop this here. Let me get ready for bed. Clean this whole situation up. Yes, that is Cafe Bustelo. I emptied the coffee in our coffee pot and I just used it to put a bunch of water so that way I could just keep my brush clean. I don't think I'm gonna paint anymore for now. I'm just gonna line this one a bit more. Also, I did want to also include for Zaya crystals. Oh my gosh. So I have been like letting that box fill up because I'm like, you know what? I keep closing it, but then I keep going back. So I just really let that box sit for a few weeks. And oh my gosh, it's like I'm going crazy. It's like every live is becoming better and better. It has to be the holidays. Today I claimed like, damn, I claimed like 4 pieces today. And that will come up in this video. I'll definitely include the unboxing in this video. She's always admiring herself. She always makes that same face. I can't make that face. I'm a lemon and Hey guys, so we got back from watching Encanto. I loved it, cried 3 times. If you haven't watched it with your family, you got kids, definitely worth the watch in my opinion. And right now we're gonna do Christmas karaoke. And since I'm not monetized, we're gonna hear all the Christmas songs.
Yay! I love Christmas karaoke.
My niece is here, but she shall remain secret.
My favorite Christmas song is...
What's your favorite Christmas song?
Run, Rudolph.
Run, Run, Rudolph. Which is that? What is that song called? You can sing it. You want to go first?
It's called Run, Run, Rudolph.
Run, Run, Rudolph. Okay, so my niece is going to sing Run, Run, Rudolph. And we're going to kick off Christmas karaoke. Run, run, Okay, so I just received my Crystal Corner Co package. I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, so this is the pieces I got. Okay, this is like a little sphere necklace. I think I'm gonna gift this to somebody, but I did get a cute little agate sphere and this mica. Look at this piece. Oh my gosh, it's huge. But she called me. You know what's crazy? I introduced Karina to Crystal Live Sales and this is the aftermath. Okay, this is very gorgeous. But anyways, what have I got done? What monster have I created? Huh? Professor Duck. Are you fucking kidding me? Not gonna lie, this is a very nice piece. Got like a little cube in there. But yeah, I made my sister start a crystal collection. I'm gonna get one of these actually. Anyways, JaniceSung. She's an illustrator. I'm gonna link her Instagram down below and maybe show you guys a few of her pieces because I freaking love her art style. And she came out with probably should have grabbed. You know what? I'm gonna hold the mic like this because I need to talk low. Everybody's sleeping. It's like right now. Let me grab the scissors. So this is how it comes. It's a long calendar and it also comes with a beautiful, like, look at her. ASMR. Anyway, this is her beautiful like illustrations. You also get an extra card as well. Like, guys, oh my god, the details. Like, anyway, so this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to like hang this up. I'm gonna show y'all May because I'm a May baby. You know what, let me show November. Decided to show November because November is too stunning not to show. Isn't that? And then you put your notes, you get the month. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. What does this mean? What does this mean? But look at it. There's the card. There's the card. The thank you card. Your support means the world. I hope you enjoyed your purchase. Everything in this package was made with love and all materials are 100% recyclable. Oh my god, Janice, I didn't get a coupon code. Okay, so the next package I got was from Genfatale. This is my second box of crystals that I'm expecting. I actually really waited to like pack this one up. She cute. Again, I'm gonna link everything that I mentioned in the link in the video bio, so check that out. First crystal that I got from her is pink amethyst. Looks like, look at them details. Seeing more on like statement pieces that I like want to surround myself with. This one is gorgeous. I'll show you guys my other pink amethyst. I've been leaning a lot towards that crystal. Like, next one that I did get was white moonstone. I have regular moonstone and I'm tempted to get rainbow moonstone. I've never seen white moonstone before, so I claimed this beautiful one, and it's kind of see-through a little bit. I don't think you can really see it in the camera, but oh my god. The last piece I got is a statement piece. This is like the biggest purchase, and it's actually pretty heavy. I didn't think it was gonna be this heavy, but I got a carnelian flame. This one, I like how you can like put it in the front, right? And you can see like that it's a beautiful like white carnelian, and then in the back it just gets darker. And this baby, oh my god, it's big. Okay, like I didn't expect this crystal to be as big as it is, and I love it. Like, it just called out to me, and I do really want really nice statement pieces. It's basically my crystal unboxing, and that is my art goodie stuff. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like seeing this kind of thing. And yeah, let's get on with the vlog. So I made myself, I love onions, so there's that. I made myself an avocado toast. Loves this so much. And I'm watching Maria Dragona's, like she's looking at the Dior cruise collection. I'll link her video down so I can check it out because it's actually very like nice to watch. She picks really nice pieces. Anyways, so I got all the things. Look at that. Because I'm so proper. Anyways, so Lala made her gingerbread martini, and I basically got everything to make the gingerbread martini without the gingerbread. That's all I'm technically missing, but I was like, you know what, it's cool. Sorry, Lala, for doubting you. I was a little scared, but you know what? You say it's good, so we're gonna make it. You want one too? Do you want I do you want a gingerbread martini? I do. Okay, so I'm here repeating my question to Crystal, who is not listening to me, but I was like, what has been one of the most irrational presents that you've ever asked for?
I feel like all my presents that I've asked for are rational.
No, I'm saying like ever, like in your whole life.
In my whole life?
Yeah, the most like irrational one.
Oh, and even as a kid?
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted an actual house when I was a kid. For the backyard.
That's what I mean. Girl, mine was a pony.
Oh, I wanted a horse, but I got one.
And I got one too.
Yeah, I got a horse.
Now I'm gonna be loud, but I started taking equestrian classes in Florida. I really liked it and I gained more confidence. So then by the time that all of us rode horses again, I was like, okay, I feel like if things go south, I know what to do. And then that was the first time that Chris Lily and the baby, I like how I say the baby and people think about the rapper. And I'm like, no, the baby. Yeah. So when we all went horseback riding, I wish I vlogged it.
I got the disobedient horse. She was not listening.
Like, they were like, okay, don't let the horses eat. Like, just.
The homegirl was so hungry. I'm like, did they not feed
no
you?
charge. Her baby crying. The horse is eating. She's staying behind. And we're like, where is Chrisley?
I'm so nervous. I'm like, oh my God.
So yeah, that was my most irrational gift. And then now that I like said it out loud, I'm like, okay, I did actually get that gift, even though I thought I would never.
You have to put it in the mailbox.
But yeah, what is your most irrational gift? Leave a comment down below on your whole lifetime. I feel like right now, the most irrational gift that I want to receive is like a Chanel bag or an Hermes bag. I have more of a greater chance at getting a pony right now.
Yeah, I agree. That is very irrational. Hermes bag.
Okay, so I paid so much attention. I don't know how much it was. So I'm gonna do the rim now. Look at this. Let me make sure that it's even. Is the drink. I haven't drank in a while, so I'm like low-key a little nervous.
I'll make it easy.
Alright, I'm gonna do the rest of it, okay?
No. It's called wasting.
Okay.
I don't think that was that.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. Okay, because I put the almond milk at a core, so I can do this. I'm gonna try it.
Does it taste like
a gingerbread? It's supposed to be a gingerbread martini, so.
Does it taste like it?
I think so.
Let's see, I'll need a judge. That's good, right? I like that.
Can I try it?
No.
Why?
When you're 21.
What?
21.
When you're 28.
The Lala. And Lala.
Let me get this on my vlog.
This is probably like the most randomest live. Now me doing the gua sha.
Yo, my lips are for real burning. This, oh my, Dolly, stay. Stay, Bentley. Dolly. Stay, good boy. No. Oh God. Okay, so right now I am going to work on my wrapping paper. It's gonna be black and gold. I'm just gonna get started on this, and then I need to finish editing Saturday's video. So I'll be right back, and I'll show you guys like the progress. Okay, so this is how it looks. I don't hate it, and It's like gold.
So I forgot to close out this vlog, but I hope you guys liked today's video. Subscribe for good vibes. Don't forget to hit that like and that bell for the future videos. Till next time, y'all. Deuces.